Hey there guys, I hope you're all fine. So in this tutorial we are going to learn how to make progress bar in Notion. So without further ado, let's get started. So click on the Notion app, and now as you can see there are multiple workspaces here. Okay, so I will just click on this habit trackers workspace, and I want a progress bar to be shown here. Earlier Notion didn't used to have a manual option for using progress bar. You have to use various types of tricks, but now they have added an option for adding a progress bar. So I'm just going to show you how you can do it easily. So just click on it. Alright, you need to click on these three dots here. Now click on properties. It is saying 5 shown. As you can see, here's an option called progress. It is hidden, so we will first make it visible. And now click on this arrow here, and as you can see there's a clear option here saying bar. Now you can change the color of the bar. I will make it such that it appears the colors are very light. Okay, now click on done, and as you can see, there you go, we have successfully added a progress bar in Notion. So that's it for today guys. Hope you found the video beneficial. Feel free to ask any questions in the comment section. See you soon. Have a wonderful day.